In today's video, I'll show you how to delete or archive an audience in Mailchimp. This is perfect if you're cleaning up your contacts or reorganizing your email lists. First, log into Mailchimp and head to your audience tab on the left. Here, you'll see all your audiences. Select the one you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to it. Now, look at the top of the page for the three-dot menu. Click it, then choose Delete. Mailchimp will give you two options: delete permanently or archive. Archiving is a safer choice since it removes the audience from active use, but lets you restore it later if needed. Click Continue to archive or Confirm Delete if you're sure, and that's it, your audience is gone from the active list. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Stay organized and keep your email marketing clean with Mailchimp.